Well, I also know another way that you've used the tappers is in regards to pain management. And I was just
Mm,
wondering if you could just share some examples or your knowledge about that, your
mhm.
experience.
Well, in the office, I've had people come in with chronic pain disorders, back, things like that, or even the exhaustion of autoimmune
Mm,
disorders.
hmm.
And while we're talking about that, you can just see the stress level, which in my mind, I think cortisol, adrenaline is now getting pumped in the system, which is makes everything worse.
Sure.
And so I invite them to put the Bi-Tapps on, and then this regulation starts to happen. Now, I have a wild example, and when something happens personally, it is embedded. It's in
Right.
your system.
Hmm.
Some time ago, my husband had a significant foot reconstruction, and it wasn't just a little foot surgery; it was a total rebuild.
Wow.
And we were sent home from the hospital, and I was prepared. I had my pad. I was going to write down, everything, all the meds and everything.
Hmm.
And he was sent home with a medication IV that was supposed to last 72 hours. And it didn't. And the first night we got home late afternoon, that first night, all of a sudden, and he was
Mm.
medicated. We were following all the instructions. He started shaking and
Oh,
sweating, and the pain was extraordinary. And, now it's, 11 o'clock at night. I'm trying to call the medical group, and I've given him everything we were allowed to give him. And then all of a sudden
right.
I went, honey, can I put the Bi-Tapps on you? And
Mm.
he's like, and he's trying to breathe. He goes, anything. And I mean, it was 10 plus, and there was nothing that was letting it up. And he couldn't get up,
Oh,
right? Yeah. So I put the Bi-Tapps on, and within, it wasn't 2 minutes. I gotta say, it happened. It He took this big deep breath,
yeah.
and I had him going a little faster than I normally would for just somebody who's not really amped up. But he was so amped up, so I had him going a
Yeah.
little bit faster. And within a couple of minutes, I saw him literally his whole body start to ratchet
Mm.
down. And then he could breathe. And then he could manage the pain.